Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing CodeCombat. And for CodeCombat, we're going to be doing this level called the Maniac Munchkin. Okay, so for this level, right, I'm probably not saying that right, but I know the last part is Munchkin. But look, if you want to see more videos on CodeCombat or just videos on technology and any other technology that's out there, and us talking about our opinion on it, just make sure that you subscribe. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do giveaways for you guys. And let's get into the video. So CodeCombat, we're gonna do this level right here, and you can see that we got 683 gems. Now we got to break open the chest and stay alive. So in this one, and most levels that we already start in this one, they already have the pre-layout of what the code you're gonna be using. So the pre-layout is already while true function. Okay, so for the while true function, that's automatically gonna be on there, so you don't have to worry about putting that in. And then as we go down, they always will have enemy equals hero dot find nearest enemy, and they're gonna have distance equals hero dot distance to enemy. And they always gonna have those three in there. They're always gonna have while true function and those two codes in there. Now for here, we gotta stay alive and open up the chest. So you already have if hero dot is ready cleave. Then for this one, we want our hero to cleave. So we gotta type in hero dot cleave, and then we're gonna type in enemy. Now if you don't type in enemy, it won't actually work. Okay, so we got that done. So when we actually play it, I'm not going to do that right now because we're not finished. But when we play it, it's actually going to cleave these enemies that's near him. So it's going to just, use his super attack, and then it's going to push all the enemies away. They're going to die. Now, for this one, right, we're going to do, it's technically like an else if statement. So for the distance for the enemies, so if the enemies are close, right, then we want the hero to attack them. So we're going to type in hero dot attack, and we're going to put in enemy. So then after it execute that, so after it cleaves and there's another enemy that's coming, then he's going to attack that enemy if it's close in the range, right? If it's in range. Now if there's no enemies, we do want him to open up the chest, because what's the point of finding enemies if you can't open up a chest? Okay, so we're going to put in hero dot attack. I don't know why hero dot attack chest is a thing, because you could just type in hero dot open if they actually have that in there. I do not know, but okay. We're gonna put in hero dot attack, and we're gonna put in quotations, and we're gonna put in chest. So after we put in the chest and we put in close parentheses, you could tell that this is all our code. So it's gonna start from the top. It's gonna read down. They're gonna see the hero dot ready. Hero dot is ready cleave, right? Then you put in the hero dot cleave enemy, or enemy function, or the enemy variable. So when you put in that hero dot cleave enemy, right, it's gonna cleave all the enemies near him, like from right here at the beginning, all these enemies. Then after that, when those enemies are gone, then you gonna have this enemy come in. Then that hero dot attack function will start to come into play, and he's gonna attack that enemy. When that enemy is gone, then he's gonna attack the chest to open it, and that's the code. So let's see it actually run and see what happens. So you can see that he is attacking the chest. He's attacking the chest, and you see all the enemies coming near him. Now he attacks, or he cleaves the enemies that ran towards him. Then all the enemies are gathering together, and look what happens. Oh, he thought he was good, but nope, they cleave. The cleave, man. I told you, we got this. We got this. So that is the solution to this level, to this CodeCombat level. And if you want to see more on this, and you want more knowledge on the technology and codes and coding, well, I suggest you to stay tuned, subscribe, so you can get more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.